Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming kubectl is pointed at the right cluster and context, because wrong context wastes time. First, list pods in the namespace to pick the correct pod. Once you have the pod name, verify you can access its logs by checking role permissions. Lack of RBAC access is a common blocker. If you use a deployment, identify the pod by labels. Then, prepare any container name if the pod runs multiple containers, so you can target the correct log stream. Next, fetch logs with kubectl logs using the container flag when required. This gives the exact stream you need. Once done, follow logs live with F to watch events as they happen, or use synths and tail to reduce noise. If logs are JSON, pipe through JQ to filter fields, otherwise use grep or awk for keywords and context. Make sure to include previous container logs using previous to inspect crashes, because that reveals why a restart occurred. To finish, correlate pod logs with pod events and node conditions by running kubectl describe pod and kubectl get events, so you understand causes beyond application output. If logs are incomplete, exec into the pod to inspect files or copy logs out for deep analysis. Also verify logging agents or sidecars and node-level rotation, because missing logs often stem from rotation or agent failures. One troubleshooting tip: when logs appear empty, check RBAC and node disk pressure. Fixing access or freeing disk usually restores log visibility.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.